Okay, so what we have here is the trapezoidal rule. The job is to get the area of a 2D object, okay? Trapezoidal rule is the following. The curly equal sign means it's what's called an approximation. It means it's not exactly correct, but it's very close to being correct, okay? So when we say the area is 20.1 as an example, it means it's very close to 20.1. It might not be 20.1 exactly, okay? So what we do here is say h over 2, where h represents the horizontal distance between points. We then say the first point plus the last point plus 2 times the remaining. Now, it is in your notes, in your tables, but I'd argue is that it's a much more complicated version of it. Also, you want to learn off is it gives you the h over 2, but instead of first, it says y1, and instead of last, it says like yn. You're better off just learning off first, last, 2 times the others. Better off just learning off, because the tables often put people off. Okay? Now, next thing. We're going to call this h over 2, because we don't know what h is. Now we're going to put in the numbers. Does it go straight up at the start? If it goes straight up, that's worth 10. And then the next one, the last one, 6. 2 times the remaining, 7 plus 9 plus another 9. Can anybody in class tell me what you get when you multiply all this here? 82, is it? Okay, perfect. So, yes? Yeah. No. First and last, the remaining is that one, the middle ones. It's like not the two wingers, the middle people. Okay? So that's the way it works. I didn't. 10 is the first one. And 6 is the last one. The two wingers and then the middles. Okay? Now, what we get there was Dennis said 82, didn't you, Dennis? H over 2 times 82. Divide 82 by 2, you get 41h. 41h is the area. But we're also told that the area equals 205. So, divide 205 by 41. We find out that the h value is 5. Okay? Everybody happy enough with that? Okay. Now, what we're going to move on next, I need one person in class do me a favour. I need somebody with a ruler, okay? And I just need you to do it once for me. Okay? What I want is, I want somebody to measure the distance between these two black dots, okay? And just give me a rough estimate of how big it is, because I have to calibrate my ruler according to the size of your copy, basically. 4.8. Okay, 4.8, 4.9ish, okay? So, just around here. Now you can see that my ruler is a bit out of scale, so I'll just increase it a wee bit more. And go down a bit more. Okay, stop there again. So, if I do this now, I'm at 4.7, but I'll just increase a small amount back up. Now look at it again. 4.8, 4.9 I'm on now, okay? So what you're going to do with your ruler is you're going to measure each one. That's 4.8. You're going to move the ruler over to the other side and you're going to go top to bottom. And you're going to get 6.9. Okay? The one after that, you're just going to rotate it over here and you're going to get 4 centimeters on the dot. Now, the first and the last one are how big? Do they go straight up? No. Makes that to 0. One of the wingers is 0 and the other winger 0. Okay? So then, what you do next is you get the area. Area equals h over 2 firsts plus lasts plus 2 times the remainers. Oh yeah, I did the width now. Thanks, Dennis. Okay, you also measure the width. I'll just ask you guys for what you got yourselves. 3. Shh. The width is 3 centimeters. Okay? So, What we're going to do next is we're going to put them all in and see what happens. This, lads, I have to say, in the past papers, these questions are all over the place. I'd nearly say they're guaranteed. I say there's about an 80-85% chance this comes up, and when it does come up, it's easy marks. Okay? Yes? Huh? Yeah, it's like a squiggly equals, just means it's roughly equals, but not exactly equals. Yes. Shh. Now guys, shh. 3/2. Shh. First is 0. The last, 0. Shh. 2 times the remainders. You're going to go for your 4.8, your 6.9, and your 4. You're going to close that bracket. You're going to take out the calculator, tell me what it turns out to be. The whole thing, or what's in the bracket? Okay. 3/2 times 31.6, and what you get after that? What is it? 47.4. Yeah. So lads, what are we thinking? Easy marks here at the moment? Yeah. Okay. Shh. That's the way you should be thinking of it. Now, to try and go a bit harder on it, that's once again the likes of question 13. Just do what we've done all this time. You just get the area. Just be aware that the last height is 14, and the first height is, anybody? 0. 0 for the first, 14 for the last. You get the area. Okay, that's grand. Now, the problem at the end is, it says that it's 380,000 per hectare. Yes. Because it doesn't go straight up. It has to go vertically upwards, otherwise it's 0. Okay? Now, once you get the area, the answer to the first one's in meters squared, isn't it? Now, the answer to what it's going to tell you is that 1 hectare is worth 380,000 euro. So 10,000 meters is worth 380,000. Also, you have to find out is how much 1 meter squared is worth. So divide both sides by 10,000, yeah? So a meter squared of land will be worth, was it 380 quid? Take away the 4 zeros. Actually, no, sorry, 38 quid. So, wait, am I missing something here? No, I'm not missing something, I'm grand. So, 1 meter squared is worth 38 euro. Whatever answer you get for part 1, just multiply by 38, and you'll find out how much that much land is worth. Okay? Now, I don't even think I'd need to